Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we are unboxing my Ipsy glam bag for the month of January 2021, which is so crazy. 2020 is finally over and it doesn't really feel like it, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up here. And we do have something outside of the bag, so let's set that aside. Here is what the bag looks like. I like the way this feels. It smells like a pool toy. You know, like the inflatables, the inflatable toys. It smells like that. I don't know, what does that say? It says dream repeatedly on there. I like the way it feels. And I like the little zipper here. It is like a circular thing. But yeah, you can see the products through. So let's go ahead and pull out the card. I don't know. I can never remember which Ipsy has the products listed. Ooh, beauty resolutions for your sign. That's fun. This does not have prices, but it does have a beauty resolutions for your sign. So I'm gonna like cut that in half there. If you want to pause and read, I'm not gonna read all of them to you. I will read mine. I'm a Pisces, so if you're a Pisces, here is your beauty resolutions. Embrace your uniqueness and let those quirks be cute. Yeah, that's our goal for the year. Introducing refreshments. I don't know what this is. It looks like razors and makeup wipes and stuff from Ipsy. New thing they have. Also new thing they have, Ipsy X, I think is what it's called. Yeah, it is coming next month. I am signed up, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited about it. But first thing we got was outside of the bag. Oh, it's so soft. Is this Luxie or SL Miss Glam? SL Miss Glam. This is a foundation B12 brush. It's got the pretty blue handle with the sparkles and then the little blue gemstones. I probably won't use this for foundation. I usually use this for like under eye powder kind of thing, but I do love SL Miss Glam brushes, so that's a good start. Next, Uoma. This is the Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. I'm not sure how to pronounce that brand. It's U-O-M-A, Uoma or Oma. But a mascara is always fun. Ooh, it's cute packaging. Here's what it looks like. I love that red color. I really should not be opening this, but here we are. Ooh, I'm gonna like this, I feel. The wand is very reminiscent to the Better Than Sex mascara, which is my fave, so I'm excited about that. Next, I think this is what I chose. This is by Foxy Bay. It's the 12-in-1 Daily Leave-In Hair Mask, which my hair needs some help. I am going to cut my hair soon and probably color it here soon. Ooh, that smells so good. What does that smell like? Like nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, something like that. I don't know, I'm terrible with scents, but it smells really good. It smells very like bakery like. But yeah, I'm just trying to find something that I love on my hair, and I do like Foxy Bay, the brand. I'm just trying to find out. I have no idea what this smell is, but it smells so good. Okay, next we have Formula 10.0.6. I don't know if that's how you say this either. This is the Thirst No More Moisturizer. I do like this brand as well. I'm not gonna open this yet because I have so many moisturizers open, but I do really like that brand, so that's exciting. And the last thing in here already, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Catherine Malandrino, Special Moments. Du Parfum. So I just butchered all of the words that I tried to say, but it is a little spray bottle, yay. I don't like roller balls, I love the little spray ones. Can't smell anything. I don't know if this is cruelty free either. Oh, I sprayed my hand. Ooh, it's a lot. Hold on, let's let that set for a second. I don't know if I like that. I don't know. Does not say if it's cruelty free or not. I will have to look that up, of course, but What does that smell like? It smells very reminiscent to a perfume that I've smelled before. I don't know, guys. I don't know what it is, but it smells very familiar. It's very like floral fruity, but more almost like a fruit cocktail kind of thing. I don't know. I don't know what it is. It smells okay. Not my favorite thing. That's a little mature for me. But recap. Perfume, eh. I'm excited about the moisturizer. I'm excited about the hair product. I'm excited about the mascara. And I already know I love these brushes. So overall, this was a pretty good bag. I think the only thing that I'm not excited about is the perfume. And that's just because it's not my ideal flavor scent, I guess. But yeah, that's everything, you guys. This was a quick unbagging. Don't forget to like this video, not your video, my video, before you go. And subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.